how to earn reward points on KFC app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first things first, to earn rewards, you can just sign up. So just download the app from your app store or play store, open up the app and sign into your account. So you can go to your profile and then you can check your loyalty points. So tap on it, and as you can see, I have received 50 points from signing up. Now, to get more points, you will need to buy from this app. So you can go to home and scroll through the menus, and then you can add to cart, and then you can just order the items. So the more price that you spend using the app, the more points will be added to you. Similarly, you can refer the app to your friends, uh, and then you can also use the QR code to scan at the counter or drive through before paying. And that's it. Those are some of the ways that you can earn points in KFC app. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.